Sir, finally you met the election commission.
I'm very thankful that election commission waited for some time. So he has given an opportunity to meet them. We have submitted our memorandum. We are asking for a lot of documents yet. Though we have done a lot of investigation in it, whatever my party research team has done, still we are going to give them assist. We are ready to assist them on various issues. We will take it forward. This is the voice of not the Congress party. It is the entire voice of the entire democracy. All the India group and any other political party also can be aware of such type of fraudulence. Let there be any type. I think some of the BJP friends was telling that in some other constituency, Chamrajpet, Varna and all these types of issues are there. Even let it be even in my constituency also. I don't mind. Action has to be taken who has done the fault, guilty and misused the political power or whatever the power they have misused. Either it may be bureaucracy or politician. Action has to be taken. The law has to be protected. The fairness of the constitution has to be upheld. And election commission should be very fair. I was very happy to hear that Mr. Ambakumar was telling me, after knowing all these things, they also have started their research team. I am so glad that they have started their research team. It is good. I'll come and meet him again with a lot of documents and evidences. For the first phase, we have asked them information to go into detail of every assembly segment which has happened like this. Then let us see.
BJP, sir, one thing again they said, the whole BJP team is saying it is a non-documental allegation against us. They can go to the election commission.
We are not worried about the BJP. We are not worried about their BJP. Let they tell anything, whatever they want. We are asking a court, we are asking a judge, we are asking a commission which they have an autonomous power. We are telling them this is what is going on. They may tell that your officers are there, your staff is there, all these things they may tell. Ultimately, the responsibility of the election commission is to look at this. When elections come, electoral rolls, everything is being prepared. It is not the government doesn't do it. So I am telling you, even if any officer have done such type of mistake, you please take action and immediately separate the things.
Congress is taking all these allegations only with the records. They have to apologize to the election commission because Congress is not ready to go to take the vote. Rahul Gandhi is not ready to take the vote. That's
what vote you want? My voice is my vote. What I am speaking to you with a commitment and a vote. What vote you want? We have also taken hundreds of votes. We pledge to the people of this country. We have given the constitution. We have given freedom. We have given democracy. We have given national flag. We formed this election commission in the constitution. This is what the Congress party has given to this country.
When you are alleging the election commission, why BJP is reacting so aggressively?
I think they are showing themselves they are the part of this whole dirty game.